Okay, let's start. It's already time up now. 7 o'clock. Now today we'll just go with the same chapter. Next class, so we'll do one thing. So let's have an introduction to the spatial, because this is the introduction to geometry. That's what they said. So let's start our class like this. This one, which the picture which is of the die, it is called dice. The one with the soda bottle, that's a small can, we call it in the name cylinder, because you have to see what is going on there. Next, we have a triangular region. That is what we call it as pyramid. And we have a box stand, that is which called as cuboid. And we have a ice cream small box. We call it in the name cone. And we have a round thing which we call it in the name sphere. This is what we take it as the understanding of the figure. We call it as the
Say. So you're on mute.
Well, your voice is not coming.
Thank you very much. Thank you. And the next, that is what, how we are going to answer our questions now. Now we have the next, we'll have the three-dimensional figure. That is solid shapes are also known as the 3D figure. The main difference between the flat shapes and solid shapes is that the flat shapes or plane shapes only have 2 dimension, and solid space will have 3 dimension. That is the example with a ball and a gas cylinder. We can feel, touch, and we can use them. Now, let me introduce you to the solid shapes. We have the solid shape. We have 3-dimensional figures. In 3-dimensional figures, always remember, we have 2 things. One is called the volume. Other one is called surface area. Now, the word volume, the meaning of volume is always meant with the volume is always meant with the word capacity. CAPACITY. And surface area, it is surface area, it is a surface, and we have to know 2 things. One is CSA. CSA means it is named as curved surface area. And LSA means lateral surface area. Now, today when I was having a class, the students were asking me, sir, whether the curved surface and the lateral surface area are same. Now in mathematics, it is same. But when we come into the Chambers dictionary or something, the word meaning change, because the surface which is curved for a cylinder, we call it as curved surface area. When it is in a rectangular format, we call it in lateral surface area, which we are seeing through our eyes. Then we have another one which is called TSA. TSA, we call it as the total surface area. Now, I just explained only the theory, which you all know it very well. Now, let's come back. Now, what are the solid shapes in geometry? Now, let's see what is that. A rectangle has only length and breadth. The cuboid also has the dimension of height, making it a solid shape. The rectangle is a plane figure, whereas the cuboid looks like a real solid figure. That is the point which is very important. Those who want, I'll just wait for a minute. They can write it down. The rectangle has only length and breadth. The cuboid also has the dimension of height. That is why it is making as a solid shape. The rectangle is a plane figure, whereas the cuboid looks more like a real solid figure. Let's come back to the next heading. Solid shapes are three-dimensional geometric shapes that occupy some space and have length, breadth, and height. Solid shapes are classified into various categories. Some of the shapes are curved surfaces. Some of them are in the shape of pyramids or prism. Now see the diagram. The length is seen here. The length is shown with the red, that is the pink mark. The breadth is shown with the red mark. And with the blue mark, I made height. So by indicating length is the place where we see directly, then breadth is on the side of the floor or the room in which you are sitting. Height is a perpendicular distance from the top to bottom. Now, let's elements of the solid sphere. Solid sphere objects are different from two-dimensional 2D shapes, and the presence of three dimensions is length, breadth, and height. As a result, three-dimension have faces, edges, and vertices. Remember the three keywords? Faces. Remember the three keywords? The three keywords are faces, edges, and vertices. Let's see what is that. Let us observe what does that mean. Now, the vertex. Let's see what is that. The vertex is only the point which is indicated. See, this is the vertex. Edge is the only side. The pink color is its an edge. This is also an edge. This is also an edge. Face, the surface which is formed, which you see with your eye, is the face. So the three keywords: vertex, edge, and face. Remember, because this is also essential for us. Let's go back. Now, next one, we have it like this. Now we have the solid shapes common. Common solid shapes: cube, where length, width, height all are same. Cuboid, length, width, and height. For the cylinder, we have height and the base radius. Now let's see, cuboid. Any box-shaped object resembles the shape of a cuboid. Now, See, in cuboid, what are the particularities of cuboid? It is a solid rectangular shape with 6 faces. The room in which you are sitting. Two opposite sides, two on the my back and front, पीछे है, आगे है, दोनों भी on the sides and ऊपर नीचे. This is what we have it. So we have totally 6 sides and we have 8 corners, that is 8 vertices, and we have 12 edges. We have 12 edges. Sir, can you explain it again? Yeah, Midun, which part do you need it? Any box, this is what I need. It's a solid rectangular shape with 6 faces. Now see the both sides which you are sitting inside a room. There are 4 walls around you. One wall is opposite, other wall is opposite to you, and the 2. So you have 4 walls, and top one and the bottom one. That is where we take the 6 faces. So remember that point is also very important. There are 6 faces, and then it had total 8 vertices. See, 1, 2, AB is 1 vertices, BC is another, CD is another, DA is 4. In the bottom, EH, EF, and G. This is another one. So that is 8 vertices, and we have 12 edges. 4 plus 4, bottom 4, on the top also 4, the side we have 4, total 12 edges. Remember that all the 3 you have to remember it. For a rectangle, there are 6 faces, there are 8 vertices, and 12 edges. What are the properties? All the faces is in the shape of a rectangle. Angles of the plane of the cube are right angle. See, this angle is right angle. The edges that are opposite to each other is parallel. See, this is the parallelogram. Each vertex of a cube need 3 faces and 3 edges. You can just write the properties of the cuboid. Please, those who need it, you can have it now, because that can come as a small question. For 6, 7, 8, AMC 8. Those who are completed, please just say me yes, then I'll.
Done, sir.
Yeah. So I'll go for the next. Thank you. Next. Next, we have the next one. We'll go for cube. A cube is a symmetrical 3-dimensional shape with 6 equal squares. Remember, we have 6 equal squares. That means it is a 6 faces. That is what 6 square faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. See, it is also given as the same, but only the condition 6 square faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. Then what are the properties? Let's see what is the properties of a cube. The properties of the cube are, let's see the properties of the cube. Let's see the properties of the cube now. It has all the faces in the shape of a square. First property, remember it. All the faces or sides of a cube have equal dimension. That means they are equal. Third, the angles of the plane of the cube are at right angle. Right angle means it has 90-degree. That is very important. Don't miss it out. It is 90-degree at all the edges, the lower or the upper side. Then the edges that are opposite to each other are parallel. That line is also very important. That is the 4 points which is needed for cube. Please make sure that you are having that. So cylinder, now I'm coming. Next one.
Sir, can you show?
We have cylinder, a cylinder, two flat surfaces. Actually, it's a problem solving. So now we'll come back into the surface area of a cuboid. Let's see. The surface area of the cuboid, the length, breadth, and height of a cuboid is L, B, and H respectively. Therefore, the total surface area is always given by that is the area of 6 faces.
Excuse me, sir. Can you show the cube properties once again?
That also you need it. Okay, I'll give it for you. Can you see it?
Yeah, thank you. That's all. I had to write one way.
So do you want cylinders property?
Yeah.
Cylinder has two flat surface, base and top. It has one curved surface because if you have a what we call the bangle, it's a shape of a bangle itself. H bangles are kept. It becomes a cylinder. It has one curved surface. The bases of the cylinder are always congruent and parallel. It has two identical edges that are either circular or oval in shape.
Yeah, you can change the slide now.
Okay. Thank you. Then we have total surface area of the object is the sum of all the areas of the shapes that cover the same object. Now we have surface area
So one
of a
second,
cuboid.
total surface area, 1 second.
Yeah.
I have to copy 1 second, it'll take 1 minute.
Surface area of an object is the sum of all the areas of the shapes that cover the surface of the object. Example, the surface area of a cube.
So can you go back to the cylinder? I just have one property to write.
You want to have that? Okay, I'll
Yeah,
go
the cylinder.
fast.
Sir, will this recording be shared with us?
Yeah.
On mail only, right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, thank you.
And next class, what I'm going to take is now itself, I'll say, we are going to for having ratio and proportion. Okay. Next class, we'll take, because it according to the syllabus, we'll go. Next class, we have a ratio and proportion.
Sir, you can go to the next slide.
Yeah, I'll go.
Sir, all the sessions recordings will be sent to us, right? On mail.
Yeah, you can get it. Then, topic surface area of solid shapes. The surface area of an object is the sum of all the areas of the shape that cover the surface of the object. For example, Ready?
Yes.
Okay, next we'll go for the surface area of the cuboid. The length, breadth, and height is L, B, and H respectively. Total surface area or surface area of 6 faces is always taken as 2LB plus 2BH plus 2HL, that much square units. Curved surface area is always called as the area of 4 walls. It is taken in such a way that it is 2BH plus 2LH. The room in which you are sitting, it has got 2LH and 2BH. That is why it is taken like that. That is what it is taken as area of 4 walls.
What
Is it
is L
clear?
point B? What is L point B?
L, not point being L into B.
Okay.
Just write the second one, that is better. Accepted?
You can move to
Yeah. Next class, please make sure when you are attending, I'll say now itself. Next class, we will have ratio and proportional, proportion, exponents, and logarithms.
We have to join at the same time at 7 o'clock, right?
Yeah, just make sure that you are now itself. I am saying it ratio and proportion, exponents, and logarithms. Okay, next class.
So when will the next class be?
Same 7 Friday.
Okay, thank you.
And if you want, you can join the paid class. Tomorrow it starts. Paid class will be somewhat good for you. Okay, next. Surface area and solid sphere. Now let's have the problem now. So let's see the problem. If a cuboidal box has height, length, and width as 20, 15, and 10 centimeter respectively, then its total surface area is given by. Then its total surface area.
Sir, 1300 centimeter square.
Very good. Now we will have L2 bracket LB plus 2 LB plus BH plus LH. It's a shortcut. Now we have 2 bracket, as he said, 2 into 20 into 15. That is why he said the answer. Very good. 10 plus 20 into 10. So we have 2 into 300 plus 150 plus 200. So 650 into 2. 650 into 2 is coming. So 650 into 2, that means it is 1300 is answer. So the choice is D. So you can just make it in a gambling way. Do you want that also, is it? Let's make it gambling for the answer. let's study the small trick. The trick you can use is multiply 15 into 20 is 300, you will get 20 into 100 is 20 into 10, you will get 200. So 300 plus 200 is 500 plus 150 into 2. That is the answer. You can use it easily if you have the faster multiplication in your hand. Now we'll go for the next question. Can I?
Yes.
So we'll go for the next question. So let's see what is the next question now. So the next question is, looks like this. Don't think that there is a, I have kept like that because for some other purpose. The surface areas of 6 faces of a rectangular solid are 16, 16, 32, 32, 72, 72. What is the volume in cubic centimeter? 6 faces of a rectangular solid is 16, 16, 32, 32. Is it? So, sorry, there was a small mistake which I got it. I'll just bring back my, let me bring back my this thing. Then this went out of range. I'll bring it down, please. Wait for a minute. I'll bring it back, please. Within a minute, I'll bring it back. Please excuse me. I'm very sorry, in between it went off the track. Okay, sorry for that. So the surface area of the 6 faces of a rectangular solid as 16, 16, 32. So we'll have the first one, we'll have LB equals 16. Then we have LH equals 72. And let's have BH is equal to 32. So LB is equal to 16. LH equals 72. So the surface areas are given. LB equals 16. So we'll do one thing. We'll multiply it and we'll get LB into LH into BL is equal to 16 into 72 into 32.
So
I'll
it's
get the
36,864.
So L square, B square, H square equals 16 into 9 into 8 into 8 into 4. So I'll get LBH equals root of 16 into 9 into 8 into 8 into 4. So that looks like 4 into 3
Sir, is the answer A?
into 2. So
Sir, is
we
it
got
A?
4 into 3 into 8 into 2. So let's check it out here. Somebody said the answer. Let's wait for that. LB is 16. That is LB equals 16. That means we have, that is 8 into 2. Let's wait for it.
It's
That
192.
8 into 2. So B we took it as 2. Next year, H is equal to, so We got it. LB. LH is 72 is coming. Is it? So B equals 16 by L. B equals 32 by H. L equals 72 by H. Let's have a connection anywhere. Does we have any connection? B equals 32 by H. Is it right? Now let's make a connection now. Let's get a connection. I got the answer, but I'm waiting for you to how to answer it. So let's make a connection here. So B is 16 by L. Then we have a B equals 32 by H. So I'll put it like this. 16 by L equals 32 by H. Now, L is 72 by H. So 16 by 72 by H equals 32 by H. So let's do it like this. 16H square equals 32 into 72. 32 into 72. Okay. Now, again, we will just come into that answer now. So we have it. That is H square equals 32 into 72 by 16. We have 2. So H equals 144, H equals 12. So we got the value of H, which is 12. Now, when we get the value of H equals 12, then L equals 72 by 12, which is equal to 6. So we got length equals 6, height equals 12. So height equals 12. We got it as 12 into 6 is 72. Now we need one more percent, that is breadth. So breadth is equal to 32 by H is coming. So B equals 32 by 12. Let's keep it like that. What is the question? V needs L into B into H. Let's do it. Now we needs L, B, H. That is 6 into 32 by 12 into 12. Let's finish off the work. 12 and 12 is cancelled. 6 into 32, somebody has said the answer. 6 into 32 is 192. So our answer is A. Accepted?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you want me to say it once again? No need, is it? It is also, and
Sir?
actually, yeah.
There is the same level of difficulty questions like
It's a
like these
difficulty.
questions
Actually,
are
this talent exams question, that is Olympiads. And those who are studying NCRT that textbook, which is exemplar, it will be easy for you to answer it. It's a tough question. Difficult D level.
In the upcoming competition, will these kind of questions come or will it be like more difficult or easier?
It actually, when we have seen through it, it's found to be a bit easier. It's moderate.
So would it be
Easier
correct?
compared to this? Compared to
Yeah,
the
it's
questions
moderate
right
level.
now.
So would it be correct if you multiply all of the surface areas?
That also you
Like
can get it.
16,
Multiply all of
32.
that, then you have to
Find the square root.
take the root, you'll get the answer.
Okay, thank you.
I just, first I thought of doing it like that for you, but everybody cannot understand the same method. So just made it in such a way.
Okay.
Now we have the next question, please. An aquarium. An aquarium is in the form of a cuboid whose external measures are 80 into 30 into 40. The base, side faces, and back face are to be covered with color paper. Find the area of the paper needed. The base, the side faces, and the back space. So, is in the form of a cuboid. External measures are 80. So, let's take it in such a way. Everybody, I think so, everybody will do the question. It's a bit easy. L, we got it as 80. Then we got B equals 30. Then we have H equals 40. That's an aquarium.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
How do you know which one's length, breadth, and height?
It's a concept stating that the length is the largest one. The second one given is breadth. So L, B, H. This is the way. This will be L, this will be B, and this will be H. Is it clear?
Yes. This is a very direct question.
It's a very direct question. Very good. You said it. So she will say LB, sir, take it like this, LB plus BH plus LH. Is it right?
Yeah.
So you'll write 2400 plus 1200 plus 3200. Is it sure?
Yes, sir.
But
Sir, I have
so
a direct question.
yeah,
I'm in grade 6, and in grade 6, they taught us that to find the surface area of a cuboid, it's L into B into H
yeah.
square.
But see, they have asked the base. Base is LB. See, it is the base L into B. Accepted?
Yeah.
Baby. Okay. Next, other side is B. Back face is B into H. Is it correct?
Yeah.
Then the others, one more side is there. Side faces. One side face is to be done. Is it?
Yeah.
So they said how many faces? The base, side face, and back face are to be covered with color paper. So 2400 plus 1200 plus 3200. Is it right?
Yeah.
So we have 0, 0,
800.
8,
800.
6800. But one problem is there. They have used the word faces.
So do we divide that by 6?
No, faces means we have to add 1200 also. 0008. Two side faces. Correct?
Yeah.
Do I have to do the, I have to draw the
Yes.
diagram?
So I didn't understand why do we have to add the 1000?
Ah, very good. You asked me. See, this is how the aquarium looks like. Is it, baby?
Yes.
And they have asked it to close this one side, and they asked the back side. So back side and this side. So L into B is LH and LB we cover. And they said side faces. How many side faces are there? 1, 2. Is it right?
Yes.
Okay, I'll make you understand. 1 minute, please. Midun, I'll make you understand with an easy way. Now let me take the picture. I'll make you understand in a good method, because I know your doubt. You ask.
Okay, I understand.
See ya. Now let's come back here. You have seen the picture there? So I'll put it like this to make you understand. Because if you understood properly, then you can answer it easily. Let me change the color. Now, this is the base, 1. Got it? This is LB. Accepted?
Yes.
Yeah.
Then we have the second ear. That is back face. That is LH. Accepted?
Yeah.
Then we have a side faces. We have how many side faces? 2 side faces. Is it correct?
Yeah.
That is BH. This is also BH. Accepted now?
Oh, so that's why we add another BH.
Yes, very good. That's right. Very good, very good.
Sir,
Now it's
understood.
clear. Isn't Midun?
Yes, sir, I understood now.
Yes. I'm happy that at least you said yes. That is the thing which we need. Correct? Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Without that, how can we go forward? You have to understand properly. Is it right? What I said?
Yes.
So that is why the answer is 8,000. Accepted?
Yeah, 8,000 centimeters square.
8,000 centimeters square. So that is 2 BH will come. LB plus 2 BH. Because they have said the word side faces. Remember that. This is the trick they ask. Olympiad will ask like that only.
Even AMC, right?
Yeah, AMC. That is what I say. AMC is an Olympiad.
Oh, yeah. Because mostly this is the first time I'm doing AMC, or else I used to do SOF.
Yes, you have to just think, you have to just look carefully where there is a yes or no. Now see, when we'll read, we'll only see face. But what is the word there? Have you seen that click there?
It's side faces.
Faces. Is it right?
Yeah. That's why we added the other one.
That is the reason why we took it. LB plus 2BH plus LH. Will you accept it now?
Yeah.
You are very happy now. I could guess from your sound. Okay, next we have the surface area of a cube. Let's go through that. Surface area of a cube. As length, breadth, and height of a cube are equal, so we take h as A. A means length, breadth, height is equal. That is why C, that is the reason why we are taking L equals B equals H equals A. It's a common word. Now, total surface area is 6A square. Remember this equation. Clear?
I have a question.
Yeah, say.
It
Ask.
says 2LB plus 2BH plus 2HL.
Yeah.
So that should be 2 brackets A square, right?
Yes, A square. Because A into A is A square.
Yeah.
The B also A into A square.
Oh, that's why there's a bracket. So that
Yes, very good. That's right. Now your doubt is clear?
Yeah.
These are simple doubts which you can ask your teacher. Is it?
Yeah.
They'll say silly doubt and they'll scold you. That's what happening. Is it right?
Yeah.
You got scolding anytime?
Not always, because I like maths as a subject.
Okay, very good.
I'm used to solving higher grade maths than you. already.
Okay. So I'll send you a few questions because I have a lot of students for me.
Okay.
It's a professional teacher from right from Delhi to Kerala. So let's come back. Ready, all of you?
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
What is a curved surface area? Can you explain me?
Okay, I'll explain it. Now see. Now 1 minute. Can you see me properly?
Yes.
Okay. Now see, I'm going to take my tab here. Can you see the tab?
Yes.
So when we have the tab, we have the back, there is a face, is it right?
Yes, sir.
And in the front also there is a face, is it?
Yes.
And in the side there is the edge is also a face, and other edge is also a face. This
Yes.
is called the curved surface area. The front portion, the side portion, the back portion, and the side portion. This is what we call it as curved surface area or the lateral surface area. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
One more. I'll show one more thing. Now see, I have a bottle in my hand
Okay, sir.
and I will see the curvy side.
Yes.
This is also called curved surface. When cylinder comes, we call it as curved surface. When we come into cuboid, we call it as the lateral surface area. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now,
Sir, I have another question.
yeah, say, ask.
Everything in the world is 3D, including paper, because paper also has a little.
Yeah, little. Everything is 3D. See, where now when you take your finger, now see if I show you like this, it is having length. It is having length. It is having breadth. Is it correct?
Yeah.
When I show you like this, can you see me?
Yeah.
So what is happening there? We have a length. We have breadth. We have height. Is it correct?
Yeah.
When we take ourselves, I have a bit motu. Is it right? I'm saying it. I'm a bit fatty one. When I'm a bit fatty one, I have got height, I have got length, I have got breadth. Is it correct?
Yeah.
Is it? Will you accept me like that?
Kind of.
Yes. So that means everything what you're using in your hand, even the mobile phone, even the tab, is it right?
Yeah.
Even it is both sides, it has got length, it has got breadth, and also it has got height. Will you accept?
Yeah. Sir, so
Yes.
basically, curved surface area is like a wire.
Yeah, wire also. Wire is not wire. It is only the surface which is having. Now, if you have a bangle, you can see, I think you will have a bangle in your hand, is it? It's a curve, is it right?
Yeah.
That is why we call it as a curve. For that is when it is round in shape. But when you take the mobile phone, it is rectangular in shape. So if I show it like this, it is a lateral surface.
Okay.
That is why both the words are used. Lateral as well as curved.
Sir?
Yeah.
So total surface area would be both combined.
Yes.
Sir, but I thought there were 4 dimensions, right? In total.
4-dimension actually.
There's also time.
But in future, because a human being cannot see 4-dimension and see 1 dimension and see 1 dimension also. It becomes as a smoke for us.
Sir, I also had another doubt. So can you explain
Yeah.
what TSA means? Because I wasn't there. Like
TSA means total surface area.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you.
Any more doubt?
No, but regarding the first dimension, it's technically just a dot, only has length. Like it'll be a dot.
That dot is a
line.
see. You're in which class? Can you say me?
8. I'm in 8, sir.
8. You have studied Euclid geometry, is it?
Not yet, sir.
Not yet. Now, when you study Euclid's geometry, do you know the story? What happened to Euclid? How it has happened?
No, sir. We haven't started
Hey,
it yet.
don't say the teacher doesn't explain to you this one.
So we didn't start Euclidean geometry right
Not
yet.
that. It's in the lower class, the teacher explains to you this one.
I don't exactly remember if ma'am if
No, the
Ritesh
thing
will
is,
remember.
see, what happened is because the geometry which you are studying is basically based on imagination, or we call it as axiom.
Okay.
Axiom in the sense is, no, if I ask Arav or Midun, can you explain me, can you define me point? You knows the answer, but you are unable to answer it. Correct?
Oh yeah,
Yes, sir.
I think I've heard of it. Like
Yeah.
there was one axiom which had been tried to, like, people tried to prove for many centuries, but
Yes.
like
And
only
actually,
after.
what happened is, how it has happened is, now this is how it has happened. Euclid found out it's a story. And if you just read the story about Euclid, you could just come across that. What
Oh,
happened is, Euclid went to his house to see his daughter's son, its grandson. So while the grandson, in the olden time, the houses were having cow dung and all in their house. Do you know it as a floor, is it?
yes, sir.
So what happened is, when the baby was been having a bath in the bathtub, his grandfather came, that is Euclid came there, and what happened is, suddenly, the babies jump out. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
When babies jump out from their body, a drop fall on the ground. So
Okay.
he said that is called the point. Then slowly the baby took crawled in one by, moved one more, and there is one point over there. So 2 points is needed for a line segment. See?
Yes, sir.
And when the baby was clawing from his body, drops were falling into the line. So he said there are infinitely many points in between the 2 points in the line segment. Understood?
Yes, sir.
This is what, now see, actually, if anybody asks the question, what is this? It's who found out? Euclid found out from the axiom. Is it?
Yes, sir.
So maths is imagination. Is it right?
Yes, sir. So that's why like mostly it's theoretical in these if you
Yes.
compare.
And that is why your teacher always use the word let
Even
or
in physics also it's mostly
consider.
theoretical only.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Then they use the word suppose.
Hmm.
And some students are there in my class. I'm teaching for higher classes. So I have found that, sir, why you are using the word let? Why you are using the word consider? Why you are using the word suppose? You ask the question inside yourself. You will not ask the teacher, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now you understood why?
Yes, sir. Because like maths is like maths
Ah, that is it.
geometry is imaginary.
Now you understood?
Yes, so like 2D figures and one-dimensional figures are all imaginary. So we cannot directly see them in
Yes.
the real world. So we just that's why we
In
say let
real
and
world,
consider.
microorganism is one dimension. Understood?
Well, not exactly. We can still like using a we can still measure its like length or breadth.
It is what you have a chapter in 8th standard. You have a chapter, the new Ganit Prakash is having a chapter called Story of Numbers.
Okay.
It's a new textbook. Have you seen that?
Not yet, Simon. I'm in other
Because
international
you are
boards,
using
so
the
I
old
don't know
textbooks, is it?
exactly. I'm in IGCSE. I'm using a separate
You
textbook.
are from
So
IGSE.
yeah,
IGSE also having the story of numbers there. Old biblical period numbers. Egyptian, Roman.
it's not that my textbook, but probably will be there in any other
Yeah.
textbook.
Because one question comes from story of numbers.
Okay, sir.
Okay, anyway, good talking at you for a few minutes. Now
Thank you.
we'll come back into our question.
Okay, sir.
Everybody was saying what sir is asking with talking with you people. Okay, thank you for that. Two
Thank
identical cubes, each of total surface area of 6 centimeters square, are joined end to end. Which of the following is the total surface area of the cuboid so formed? So we have a cube and two cubes are joined together, the TSA equals 2a square equals 6 centimeters square. So a square equals 6 by 2 centimeters square. A square equals 3 cm square. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Which of the following is the total surface area of the cuboid? They asked the
Is it
total
is it
surface
18
area.
centimeter square?
Now we made a mistake here, everybody. Because see the word
10.
identical cube, the word each is there. Have you seen?
I think it's 10 because one area
Yes,
is
sir.
joined end to end, so I think it would be 10.
Yes, sir.
That
So
is
2 and
very
minus.
good.
So I think it's 10.
I think
Same, sir. Because
So a square equals 6.
one side equals
Is
10.
it? A square is 6. So it is one here. The other one is also joined.
Sir, isn't
Yeah.
it 6a square equals 6 or is it just a square equals 6?
We'll have no two identical, each of total surface area 6. So a square equals 6 for one cube.
So each side equals to 6 or the whole cube surface area is equal to 6?
Each side.
Okay. Nice.
Got it? Each of total surface area. Oh, they have given the total surface area. So 6a square equals 6.
Yeah, exactly.
So a square equals 1. So a equals plus or minus 1. So we'll take a equals 1. Accepted?
Yeah.
So we have L equals 1 plus 1, that is 2. Right?
So the answer is 10. C.
Yes, sir.
L equals, so we have one side L equals
the
2 is coming.
answer. I
Then
got it correct due to my logic. Now he's
P
explaining it.
equals 1 is coming.
The guy.
Yes.
Yeah. So they're going question by question.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we want
So just
one answer, that is 2
so it's
into
going to
LP plus LH plus BH. So 2 bracket 2 plus 2 plus 1. So that is 2
10.
in 5. It is 10 cm square. Answer C. Do you want me to explain once again?
No, sir.
Shreyam Datta. Do you want me?
No, sir. I understood.
Yes. Soumya came back and she is keeping quiet. Was it true? Mithun Prabhu, Vihan, Tanush, Bhavya. Who is a Lobo? Aditya Gupta. Oh, the time is going very fast when we are connected with you. Why it is going like this?
But where do you live?
Myself?
Yeah.
In Kerala.
How do you know Hindi?
Because I am from Delhi itself.
Oh.
Because I have studied in Delhi Kendriya Vidyalaya School, R.K. Puram. Do you know that school?
No. I've never been to Delhi.
You are from?
Bangalore.
Where?
Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Yeah.
I've been to Whitefield School for workshop, taking workshop for IGS, IB syllabus.
Which school?
Westfield International School, Bangalore.
I go to Indus International School.
Yeah. I just came there for taking workshop for the teachers and students and parents. I'm basically an NCRT trained teacher, not teacher. I'm trained in Kendriya Vidyalaya. Started my working at Mumbai, Kolaba. Do you know the place?
So it's where the gateway of India is, right?
Yeah, exactly. Now, why are you asking me whether sir, how sir knows India, Hindi? I just came recently only back to Kerala.
Oh.
Hi, sorry to interrupt this conversation. Is this for the AMC 8 or have you joined the wrong link?
No, AMC 8 itself.
Okay, so when do we expect to start?
Already we started.
All right, thank you so much. So I should give it to my child to listen to this, right?
Yeah, actually it's started by 7 o'clock. Now it's going to end by 8.
Okay. And
Sorry,
what?
ma'am.
No, sorry, we are late. We actually realized we've just joined now, so that's why we were not sure
So
whether the
next
class
class,
is there.
now today itself I'm saying the babies were, now my children were asking me for the next class like this. They want ratio and proportion for AMC and they are asking exponents and logarithm also. So next
Okay.
class we will be having this on Friday.
Okay, so are you done with the class for today?
Yeah, it's going on. It's going on. Now only time is going to finish, ma'am. I'm extremely sorry.
No, we are sorry we joined late, but I wasn't sure whether this is just a connect for a next class or something. That's fine. We'll come to the next class. Do we have
Yeah.
a recording of this class?
Yeah, this will be sent to you, ma'am.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thanks.
you very much.
Sir, I
Sir,
have a question.
Yeah.
So just a question. Okay.
Did we learn in the last class because I wasn't there.
Yeah. What is that doubt, please?
Yeah, I wasn't there last class, so
So I'll make them to send you people. So next class it's going to time over. Next class, everybody get ready with ratio and proportion and also exponents and logarithm. Logarithm you don't have. I'll explain logarithm perfectly because a few questions will come from that.
So just a question about the AMC. Will simultaneous and quadratic equations come?
Simultaneous and quadratic equations, sometimes they may ask.
Sir, what about trigonometry and coordinate geometry?
Now I'll say exactly what is, and coordinate geometry is there, but trigonometry is not there. See the
Sir, is
syllabus.
sequence
Haven't
and
you got
series
the
there?
syllabus?
Sir, is the sequence and series there?
Yeah, sequence and series is there.
Sir, whole of the elementary algebra is there, right?
Yeah, elementary geometry is there. Pythagoras is there. Spatial visualization is what we have taken just now.
So will simultaneous and quadratic equations come, or should we prepare for it?
Now, simultaneous, they have said regarding that, they have said only solving of equation, simultaneous is needed. The two things, one, I'll say the one is elimination method is also you have to know it, and the other one you have to know the substitution method. Only the two methods. No need for cross multiplication.
excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
This is the first class I am attending. So do I have to request somebody for the class recordings?
Yeah, you can just send a mail at support at the rate.
To whom?
Now I'll give you that. You can
And
send a mail asking for it. That is, we have the mail is like that. Support at the rate TLUPS.com.
okay, sir. And sir, another question.
Yeah.
When is the next class?
Next class we'll send the mail. That is on Friday. It's a free class. We have the class. We have the paid classes also is available.
Okay, and sir, how do we get the request? Or
Yeah,
I mean the
you
mock
can
test.
just request in the support at the rate tlups.com.
Sir, I meant mock test. Mock test.
Mock test, yeah. Mock test is also available.
Okay. How do I get it?
You can just go with the email. They'll give you the mock test also.
Okay,
The
sir.
date is yet to be fixed for the mock test.
Thank you, sir.
So thank you very much. Can I go back? Next class we'll see.
yeah.
Okay then. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
So when will the next class be?
Next class is next Friday.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.